Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to verify your account on FreshForex. After logging into your account, you click on your account and then click on My Personal Data. Then, in the Personal Data section, you enter your personal information here, like your ID card number, date of birth, full address, and so on. After that, in this section, you upload a photo of the front of your ID card and here, the back of your ID card, and then a bank statement or other bills to prove your address. After uploading the documents, you click on Document Data to Manager. After you upload the document, it will be under review, and as you can see, this operation takes place from Monday to Friday. And friends, to check your verification status, you click on your profile. In the My Personal Data section, you click again. As you can see, our account has been fully verified, and after the first deposit, your mobile phone number will also be verified. Good luck!